Everybody, just around here again, opening up something from Amazon. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to do my best to put some good. No, I've been busy lately, so I'm back now. So today we're gonna go with the unboxing of Harry's. So been trying to find a good shaver, a good razor here. Set for a while. I have been looking around. Got a couple of offers in the mail for Harry's, and so I decided to give it a try. I was going to go through the company, but I actually went through Amazon. I picked up this deal, same as the one on TV, for $14.99. Let's open up the box and see what we got inside of here. There you go. As you can see here, this goes right from Harry's to Amazon. So you're ordering the same product from them. It's just you going through Amazon. I guess Amazon buys these in bulk and passes savings on you with the free shipping. So that works out good. And plus, it goes along with your other Amazon orders. As you order other things, they all come together. So save material, save boxes. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. All right. So first off, we get a thing saying thank you for choosing Harry's. Here are some smooth tips on how to shave. If I can focus in. Got that. Shows you directions on how to remove your blade. Make sure you use the grip. Also comes with some post-shave balm. Always good to keep your skin protected. All right. Comes with a nice little case for your shaver there. There you go. Pretty good material here. Also too, it comes with a case for your blades as well. Just open that bad boy up. Here's your 2 blades. I ordered the 3-blade kit, just FYI. I guess I should have said that before. And speaking of the blades and the shaver, here we go. So very nice packaging here. It's got a little pull-out thing here. Look at this. This is nice here. Come up with the bright orange. That way, in case I'm shaving in the dark, it probably glows in the dark, I'm sure. But this is Blaze 3-blade deal here. Flexible blade, flexible shaver here. German engineering on the blade, so you know you're getting top quality stuff here. It's got the lubricating strips on it as well. If you see closely here, it's got the lubricating strips here, which is always good. It says this was on as seen on TV for $14.99. I bought it through Amazon because I buy everything through Amazon, but you can get the same deal through Harry's or through Amazon. Either way works. And it comes with a really nice package if you want to give it for a gift for someone. Also, too, in my kit, it came with the Harry's 4-ounce shave gel. So this is good to use as well, too. I'll definitely post here on feedback how good this gel is shaving, but for what I'm going to use it for, I think it'll work fine, shaving the old head every once in a while. So there's the deal here. Come nicely packaged. I'll start to slowly put things back when we talk about the product. All these shaver deals pretty much are about the same. It's just really according to what you want to use, whether it's Harry's or one of the other names out there in the market. They offer shavers, discounted rates, and I think Harry's also, or you can do a membership through them. But we got the blades. We got the nice carrying case here, keeps you protected, and you got your instruction manual. So here, and your tips on how to shave. New shavers, you got your tips here, right? Open it up. Got a whole bunch of tips for you. If you've never shaved before, if you're a pro like myself, you never know. You might learn something new. Once again, this is the set from Harry's. I posted a link to Amazon below here, but it's overall a good deal. 15 bucks. If you like it, leave your comments below. If you've used it before, if you use some of the other Dollar Club or Dollar Shave, whatever companies, leave that below too, and we can have a discussion about which ones you like best and who offers the best deal. Once again, it's just Ron out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.